Hey everybody! One of the most important things to have when listing a product on Amazon is an effective title. You of course want to list what the product is, but you also want the title to be something that will pop up in your potential customers' search results. Thankfully, Simplified's AI now has a template designed to help you create that effective Amazon listing title. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use it. So, to start, we'll come over here and click Generate Copy. Then we'll come down here and click Explore Templates. Now, as you see, this page opened up with the Amazon product title template right here, where it says you can write an SEO-friendly product title for Amazon. Let's go ahead and click on that. Now, all we have to do is fill out the prompts, which include selecting our language of choice, entering the name of our product, entering a description of our product, and a few keywords we feel might be particularly noteworthy about our product. After we've done that, we can always select advanced options if we wish, which include choosing the number of results we would like to receive upon our first round, as well as the creativity level of the results we'll receive. You can turn the advanced options on or off by using this toggle feature right here. Once you're ready, go ahead and click Generate. And there you have it. Simplified has taken the information we provided and generated amazing Amazon product titles that will help our posts to be found by potential customers. If you'd like to generate more results still, just continue to click Generate again and again. And once you're done generating results, you can always click this heart icon to favorite the ones that you like, click this icon to copy a particular result to your clipboard and paste it wherever you wish, click this trash can icon to delete the results you don't wish to keep, and of course, click these three dots if you would like to edit the post to give it more of your own voice. For more tips and tricks on how Simplified's AI can help you to navigate the Amazon marketplace, sign up at simplified.com. See you there!